Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast Discussion for October 26th to the 30th. For October 16th to the 20th, this is our configuration. We have a ridge in the west, trough in the east. We have a deep upper low here south of Hudson Bay. Blocking going on here. Now there's questions later in the long term, how long this blocking occurs or whether it goes away and new blocking comes. But it looks like this pattern is going to persist. It'll remain quite cool across portions of the east states. There'll be some warm-ups, but primarily cooling conditions there. Now, we'll also have an upper low off the California coast here that'll move inland and weaken. And then the upper low will spread rain across parts of the southwest to the Texas coast through Monday. Some of it could be heavy, and a deep trough in the east will produce rain showers along with below normal temperatures through Tuesday. During this period, you can see here we have possible lake effect rain and snow occurring here across the Great Lakes region. And below normal temperatures are possible, again, like I said, in the east. Now we're going to look at the period for October 21st to 25th. And you can see the pattern is fairly persistent. Ridge in the west, centered here over western Canada, trough in the east. We still have strong blocking here. And looks like there's a persist dirt for this forecast period. The model's a good agreement. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures here, calling for numbers that are 8 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures, generally east of the Mississippi River, and the probability anomalies are expected to be also near 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is near 40%, and then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for October 26th to the 30th. And you can see we have what is this model? This is the GFS. And we have the Canadian ensembles kind of maintain this trough in the east, ridge in the west, blocking here. But if you look at the NAEFS, still has a trough here. And so does the GFS ensembles maintains more of a flatter flow, as does the NAEFS. So there is still a tendency for a trough here because we've still got blocking going on across this area here. This might keep the trough in. It might reload, like I said, and allow for warmer periods, but they'll be brief as of this time because we also have several upper lows that will be moving into the west. It'll influence the pattern further in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region, and I'm calling for numbers near 6 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures remaining here, but the numbers are 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%, and then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. Now, we're going to take a look at the latest drought analysis, which the latest one didn't come out today, so we'll have to use one from the, oh, it did come out today, okay. And you can see drought conditions have improved in parts of the east, worsened or stayed the same pretty much in the west. And then we'll take a look at the current precipitation that has fallen. This is over the last 30 days. You can see we have good amount of rain falling here across northern central Jersey, lighter amounts to the north, northern mid-Atlantic. A lot of rain down here. This is partly due to the hurricanes and tropical storms that occurred down here. Same thing for like parts of Texas, and then California and areas. Lesser amounts of falling parts of the Rockies and parts of the plains. Okay, so that's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 26th to the 30th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.